And we are now recording. Hey folks, Papa Joe and Grandma here. Let me slide around over here. Real simple meal tonight. It's actually going to probably be one of my shorter videos. Let's see, Grandma hit my spatula on me. Alright, we're going to do an open face Swiss hamburger. Just like so. Then we're going to put, you can step back a little bit if you want. Then we're going to put a little bit of chili on it. This is something the kids can do at home. That must be the ice still I hear behind me. And then she sauteed us up some mushrooms. Come on. I'll talk to the mushrooms, Grandma, not you. Don't forget the breathing thing. We don't want people bitching at us. I mean, complaining. Now, being we are Texans, and she's been training me so well, I'm really a transplant, I admit it, but my heart's in Texas. When you do a meal like this, you got to have some ranch-style beans. Oh, here's me some ranch-style beans. That makes me a true Texan. Chili and ranch-style beans. There you go, Grandma. Shoot them a picture of that. Now that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Short, sweet, and simple. We got some of the pre-made hamburger patties. She cooked them in the oven. How long did you cook them?
30 minutes, 15 on each side.
At 350 degrees, 15 minutes on each side. There you go. She pulled them out through the Swiss on them. The chili was canned chili. We're in Texas. It had to be Wolf brand. So, you know. Short, sweet, and simple. Looks good to this old boy. Hey, y'all remember, God loves you, and so do we. Y'all have a blessed evening. Tell them bye, Grandma.
Bye.
Hit the like button in the